And you know two languages, German and Spanish. Okay. So first question I would like to ask you, even the viewers would like to know about you, that why did you learn two foreign languages?
But I started off with German. It was just an optional language that I had in junior college. But then I realized that I'm really interested in it and I'm getting really good at it. And then I realized that maybe learning another language would open more career prospects for me. And as we were talking, I already mentioned that I'm a big fan of literature. I love exploring different literature, different cultures. I think Spanish would open a plethora of opportunities for me because it's spoken in about 23, 24 countries. You know, it's the second most spoken language in the world.
Right.
It's very diverse, very culturally rich. And of course, in terms of job as well, these are developing economies in Latin America and Central America. So I feel,
Mhm.
yeah, Spanish was a great choice and I'm really happy about it.
So which language you learned first, German or Spanish?
German, I started with German, 11th and 12th in junior college. And then simultaneously, I started taking Spanish classes as well.
Okay.
So yeah,
So you learned German and then after that you started learning Spanish as well.
Spanish. Yeah.
Okay.